Good day everybody, it's Rod TV here. So today we're back in Surfers Paradise for our sneeze prank part 2. We've got our sneeze model here again. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and have a look and see what kind of reactions we get. I just accidentally sneezed. I just sneezed.
Sneeze?
It's just water.
What's the idea of that?
Have a drink.
What's the idea of that?
We're doing a prank. We're doing a prank.
Put that on your fucking